Experiencing a channel not tunable error on your Spectrum cable box? This often stems from signal issues, software glitches, or wiring problems. This error can appear due to various factors affecting your cable signal quality. We'll focus on 3 key areas to troubleshoot: signal-to-noise ratio, refreshing your box, and checking your wiring. By addressing these, you can often resolve the issue yourself. Signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR, is crucial for clear cable signals. It measures the strength of your desired signal compared to background noise. For cable TV, an SNR of 30 to 40 decibels is ideal. Below 25 decibels can lead to tuning failures and the channel not tunable error. Refreshing your box means rebooting it to clear temporary software glitches that might cause tuning issues. Simply unplug the box from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Proper wiring is essential for signal integrity. Check that your coaxial cables are securely connected to the input and output ports on your cable box. Look for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could interfere with the signal. By understanding what signal-to-noise ratio, refreshing, and wiring mean, you can better diagnose and fix cable signal problems on your own. First, check your signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR. This measures how strong your signal is compared to background noise. For optimal performance, aim for 30 to 40 decibels. Anything below 25 decibels can lead to channel tuning failures. You can access your SNR reading by pressing Menu on your remote, then navigating to Settings and Signal Strength. Next, try refreshing or rebooting your cable box. Simply unplug it from the power source for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This process clears any temporary software glitches that might be preventing channels from tuning properly. Lastly, inspect your wiring. Start by using high-quality RG6 coaxial cables for the best signal transmission. Ensure all F connectors are tightly secured to prevent signal loss. Avoid sharp bends and kinks, as these can damage the internal wires and weaken the signal. Check for splitters in your setup, as each one can reduce signal strength by 3 to 4 decibels. Inspect for corrosion or physical damage on connectors and cables, which can severely impact signal quality. Examine the internal layers of exposed cables for any damage to the foil shield or wires. Remember that poor wiring is often the root cause of low SNR levels, leading to tuning issues that a simple refresh might temporarily fix, but not fully resolve. If these steps don't help, contact Spectrum support for further assistance.